Imagine a window that tells a story, a vivid, dynamic platform that attracts and engages. Welcome to the world of iVisual digital displays. With automatic ongoing sync to your CRM, changes to your listings are automatically updated, ensuring your display is always showcasing the latest. Engage potential buyers and cater to tech-savvy vendors. Now picture this powered by super bright iVisual LED, ensuring daytime visibility under any lighting condition. And as we look forward, the horizon promises even more. Transparent LED technology on the rise, offering limitless potential for stunning visuals, attractive effects, large customization and coverage. Your window is no longer just a window. It's your digital canvas, your business card, your sales pitch. Unleash the full potential of your window. Adapt to technology changes and transform your real estate office today. Step into the future with iVisual. iVisual.com.au